First headlines. School Vacancy mission to be launched in 6 schools on February 12, says Chief Minister Biren. Tamenglong's Kamei village victim of government negligence. And death toll from novel coronavirus in China touches 811. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister today announced that School Vacancy mission will be launched in 6 government schools on 12th of February. First participating in the inaugural function of a newly constructed 33 by 11 kV substation at Mayang Langjing Tamang. The power substation was built at an estimated cost of around rupees 2.97 crore. Power Minister T.H. Biswajit, Lamsang MLA S. Rajan and MSP-CL and LDA Chairman L. Susindro and several officials of MSP-DCL attended the function, which was organized by Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSP-DCL. Biren added that his government has been executing a slew of activities for the welfare of its people. The state was once lost in darkness, but now people are enjoying life because they have extended support and cooperation to the current government. Chief Minister said the government is now looking forward for more infrastructure development apart from improving human resource.
Novab Sanding had in about Pandit Havada. Plant a queen of palm, a potting matuna, Makong, Tagadabuni, sapling the Tagodabuni and Hajabut. And a purpose society in the port, Kaharagadi, Hujiki grass to get when up of a Siamata, Frida, corruption Yalga Vida, at the nepotism was at one only the Vida. Tamna society is a the School Fagaranji and the Organda Hayang trying to the school Mangator launch of Winnie and Bureau inaugurate of Winnie. But today the Queen of Government, a model schools, the Karma Makali School, no be the name.
On the occasion, MLA S. Rajan said that the new power station will provide sufficient power supply to the residents of Mayang Langjing and its surrounding areas.
Tongan industry macha tawraga magi hingnaba life ki semjariba praja singda maigi khudong chaba chang naina phangdabaduna ngasi awaba kaya mayawnaramba mayam singa do ngasidi sigumba Mayang Langjing 33 kv gi sigumba substation lasdagi sigi akoibada leiriba surrounding area sidadi masidagi mai piba taragadi mai si chang naina laagani nong chubagi numsit sibagi adugumba awaba kaya mayawnaba mayam singa do ngasidi ekoi
Power Minister T.H. Biswajit said the power station will benefit around 600 families in the area.
Substation 35 by 11 kVA substation sinangasi kwistagi loana muktiba ngamagani machina akoi kari darkala akoi ngasi mopone ribasi prajamayang padimakta yumdong padimakta akoi na power gi akoi connection piba lona na quality give power have 24/7 p the target amada ko lakchabani aduga ngasi punna akoina kana phangadaro pi ge doribasi akoi punna 600 consumer gumbadi akoi kana birani habase akoi pajamyam denga sima koi japungna haiba ngami.
The Kamai village located under Tausem subdivision in Tamenglong district, which is inhabited by around 140 Naga and Kuki families, is lagging behind in terms of development due to the alleged government negligence. Talking to TOMTV, Kamai village chairman Chinglu Wang said that the villagers are facing extreme hardship due to water shortage, particularly during dry season over the years. He added that villagers fetch water from streams flowing in nearby hillocks by using pipes and bamboos. He also said the lone government-run primary school at the village has no teacher, depriving students of their basic rights. The village chief called upon the government to look into the shortages and backwardness of the remote village.
Jumla Samaga Nifuram Labini. Asida Koigidima, Quaidigi Wabase, Ishing problems in it. Ishing November Digi, April Fause, Ishing Koyamna, Wadna Labini. Koigi primary schools lay. Adu school da among shu yam lay. Adu Uzase, Huzik Pause, Koigidama Taraktre. Adudigi, ekoi angang sing si kram hai sem gani sarkar na asi semhan biu hai si hai bani.
The death toll from novel coronavirus in China has touched 811 today. Nearly 37,198 people have now been infected by the new coronavirus in China, believed to have emerged last year in a market that sold wild animals in Hubei's capital Wuhan before spreading across China. According to reports, the epidemic has prompted the government to lock down whole cities as anger mounts over its handling of the crisis, especially after a whistleblowing doctor fell victim to the virus. A 60-year-old American diagnosed with the virus died on Thursday in Wuhan, according to the U.S. Embassy, which gave no further details on the victim. China's foreign ministry said in a statement that the victim was a U.S. citizen of Chinese origin. A Japanese man in his 60s with a suspected coronavirus infection also died in hospital in Wuhan. The Japanese foreign ministry said, adding that it was difficult to confirm if he had the illness. Manipur's titular King Laisemba Sanajauba today said that history can instill sense of patriotism among youngsters. He was talking to media on the sidelines of a meeting where new office bearers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam for the term 2020-2021 were elected at the Royal Palace. Laisemba Sanajauba urged everyone to perform their best for the betterment of the society and that all students' organizations should join hands towards this end.
Nungsinana amaga akogi pullaga leibaki ba natraga mahiroi punai go thabak tawma matamda amatoina lepminaga pullaga thabak tawunjaningi akoi oja guru adi ahal laman sing aduga koi leibaki leiba miyam siga yam nakna kari haini yam nungsinana saminabagi dumba apa madumga ai mayam do pungdok jari adu madam sanga desam leibaki amasung mahiroi punai
Newly appointed President of Desam, Namai Rakpam Edition expressed deep concern over the ongoing steer by teachers over implementation of 7th UGC pay. He said government negligence over the issue affects the students in their academic life. He appealed to the government to end this stallment in a week's time so that normal classes can be resumed.
Mahi masing ning thina tamaga koi yamna ingna chingna leiba adu khunai ma oihaninge madu masi pungna maksing cha Manipur government ki yamna proactive oiba adu gumba action dogi makha pona mahiro sini institute tholaga protest tawba natrana tawdaba haibase Manipur government na lawrak liba thangak liba khongthang lawrak liba ware lawrak liba phirep singdo maduda depend tawi haiba wafam se masi mai thamjaninge academic calendar sing ngakpa yamna ngakpa ngamgadaba mawng amada laihananaba mahiro sing amadi Manipur gi tungi miyam gi khallaga madugu makhal gi solution ama khongang changsilliba oja sing amadi Manipur government ki marakta adugumba kano makak solution ama khak masi koi boraknaba hona biu.
A lyric poetry book written by Khwairakpam Sunita titled Thamoi Gi Mapa was released today by former professor of Manipur University of Culture Naurem Khagendra during a function at the mini auditorium of Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives, Imphal. Cultural Forum President Professor Huiram Bihari, convener of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Nongmai Them Kiran Kumar and DM College of Arts Assistant Professor Dr. Sarat Chandra Longzamba attended the book release function. Representatives of various organizations also attended the event.
Pigi mai kai de larik asi ai gi manga su boina puthok sabani saireng isai saireng ni aina phongjari basi aduga humdrani pana sabane masing aduga akhoi gi maitei mek su yauro ka puthok sabani lamai punna sani khare hena panjaba thamoi gi mapauni.
Demanding implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018, the Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur Phegokta launched the relay hunger strike from yesterday. On the second day today, the 10 teachers from DM College of Arts, Manipur College, DM College of Science and DM College of Commerce joined the strike at the DM College of Arts campus. Phegokta also warned of boycotting the upcoming postgraduate examination if the government before 13th of February does not fulfill the demand. Patsoi constituency MLA A.K. Mirabai today inaugurated a newly constructed Thaupang Sanglen at Tagel Khongbal Kuman Thimleikai. The function was organized by Thaupang Sanglen Construction Committee. On the occasion, MLA Mirabai presented simple gift to senior citizens of the locality. The elderly residents who attended the event lauded MLA Mirabai for fulfilling their long-cherished dream and said that they are looking forward for more developmental activities in Patsoi constituency. At the function, MLA Mirabai hailed the previous Congress government, saying it has enabled the present BJP-led government to function smoothly. She asserted that despite all odds, Patsoi constituency is not lagging behind in terms of development. The Congress MLA assured that more development work will be taken up under NEREGA in her constituency.
Ekoi narega ki kanoda scheme ki makhada pangthokpa ekoi gi chahi kudingi 25% haiduna la iba phanna se handaki la kadoriba ekoi gi narega ki scheme simadi leiriba ngasi ki mafam asida leiriba drain se narega ki scheme ki makhada drain asi sanabagi damakta ekoi handaki scheme se da hapjarabani haibasu mai mayam da lokojari masi soidana maki atuba matamda hex scheme jigi paisa release torpa matamda mafam asida paikhajaragani haibasima ai lokojaranger.
Pari Imam Sindam Sang Pangai today celebrated its 36th Foundation Day at its premises. A 3-day-long annual literary meet, which began on 7th of February to mark the occasion, concluded today. Talking at the event, principal of the school, Sanjenbam Memchachanu, said that the school has been able to produce excellent students in the past 36 years due to love bestowed by students, parents and guardians of the school. She added that despite financial difficulties facing the school, it tries its best in providing best education and support to the students.
School sigi pandamdi akoi angang sembani angang semba aduga afaba satra puthokpa aduga laita laira kya semba aigi sida position logi ba satra punamak se ina khumba amu yaude laira banga tani aina ta thamaga sembi ba yumda thamaga aina wa pai hojik su ten thadoi ba satri ma yawi haidi khudong haidi financial shortage oiba imung ni aina awara pa dum yengbi marak maka satpi phone no toina tawi sumai tawdana laita laira kaya ma ikina aina hojik su maige kya dagi laita ba laira ba oiragati tamningagati thawai yarogata koi tum kona jage semjage haibo pham sidam jare.
T.H. Santi Singh, a social worker, today provided essential items along with free power connection to a 51-year-old widow who is a cancer patient at Tronglaubi Makhamaning Likai, Ward number 6. The help was extended to Sangai Sam Ongbi Bimola under Moirang Kendra Progressive Front.
Mana hingai betam sila kamaina masih len nungai len bayar na ba kari tawgada ge habedo ai makata na yengsin jagini ai khoi na tawjari base ai vote kattagi natte ai do hona jari base ai kanaguma party ge abagi wa nate ai gi boirang ken da lai na ba kon ba ba khoi pannam mi makar changching la ba khongjang amne khoi hona jari base.
Bimola expressed her gratitude to social worker Santi for his help and support.
Moirangi social worker Santi na ching chak pidi na jam na man harau ye mana ningjaru ba tawjaru ji thau thang na su khang bo je sinu ai bo pibiri jam nungai re.
Manipur People's Army MPA, the armed wing of the proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, today celebrated its 33rd Raising Day. According to a press release from Director, Department of Publicity, UNLF, M. Sakhen, the celebration was held at the outfit's General Headquarters, GHQ, Central Headquarters, CHQ, battalions of MPA and other units. Military Affairs Committee Chairman and Chairman of UNLF, K. Pami, Vice Chairman and Secretary of Department of Publicity as Tampajao, Organization Secretary KSH Yoheiba and Secretary Health and Family Welfare O Chingkhei Nganbi, staff of CHQ and other top leaders attended the function. Besides unfurling MPA's flag, a 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to all martyred revolutionaries on the occasion, the press release said. Manipuri Students Federation MSF today marked the completion of its academic campaign Aikolairik Tamsi, aimed at providing better education to students in the state. A function was held at Slopeland Public School, Khongzom, where Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Secretary C.H. Biren, Slopeland Public School, Khongzom Principal Nahakpam Babulin and MSF President Sajat Bhuya Mayum were present as main guests. A souvenir published by MSF was released at the event. In his speech, Sajat Bhuya Mayum said that the campaign does not believe in the idea that education is all about getting high marks in examinations and getting a government job. But education is all about using the knowledge and skills that one learns in earning self-respect and contributing something good for the society. He added that Aikolairik Tamsi campaign was launched basically to cultivate moral education among the students. Lenda Folk and Dance Academy Imphal celebrated its 19th Foundation Day at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy JNMDA today. Former Principal of Government Dance College, Ranjit Adhikari, Director of Progressive Artist Laboratory Antiken Singh and Theatre Critic Rajmani Ayekpam were present during the function. Speaking on the occasion, Ranjit Adhikari said the Academy plays a major role in preserving and promoting the art and culture of the state. He expressed unhappiness over lack of preservation and promotion of the art form of solo dance, which was introduced during King Bhagat in 1930s. He urged all organizations to work together in promoting and preserving the rich solo art dance form.
1939 ga adudagi kaktagi saba hore haina logani 1936 tagi mapanda tolok city ras lela sima panda thoga 1936 da Navadip da Vrindavan da Kolkata da jagoi utkibagi madang akhoi adugi record Saitharul Kumbha da akhoi biningthizana dum phangli.
A 3-member cycle expedition team of RS Group, Nainital in Uttarakhand, who arrived in Imphal yesterday to convey a message on safe art free from pollution, left Imphal today. The trio will further travel to other parts of the country to spread awareness on a plastic-free environment. Earlier, the team was given a warm reception by local cyclists in the Manipur capital. The trio Sagar Deorari, Rishabh Joshi and Pankaj V started the cycle trip on November 6 last year from Nainital. They were sent off from Kangla Gate this morning. Let's now have the sports news. The first Inter-District Senda Championship 2020, which was organized by Wushu Training School Ningthau Khong under the aegis of Bishnupur District Wushu Association, wrapped up today at Ningthau Khong Bazaar Community Hall. Wushu Association of Manipur Ad Hoc Committee Chairman Gozendro, International Kung Fu and Kickboxing Founder Member R.K. Bhagachandra, Ningthau Khong Municipal Council Chairperson L. Ibungo shared the dais during the closing function. 6 teams from Thobal, Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Sai Imphal participated in the championship. The host team won the team champion title and the runner-up title by Sai Imphal. Juve FC Bishnupur bagged the championship trophy by defeating TSA Thingnungai by 1-0 in the final match of the second state-level led M. Nganbi Devi Memorial 6-man-a-side soccer tournament 2020 at Ngai Khong High School Playground today. 16 teams took part in the tournament, which started from January 27. The tournament was organized by Ngai Khong Kulen Youth Club. Cash prizes and trophy were presented to the winner and runner-up teams. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. School Fagat Hansi mission to be launched in 6 schools on February 12, says Chief Minister Biren. Tamenglong's Kame village, victim of government negligence. And death toll from novel coronavirus in China touches 811. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.